He was hit by a car and left behind, broken and in pain. His tiny legs were shattered, his eyes deeply wounded. He lay in the gutter, unable to move, waiting for help that never came. For a moment, it seemed like his story was over. But then, someone found him and chose not to look away. They gave him care, patience, and love. Slowly, step by step, this fragile soul began to heal. He fought through the pain, and he found his strength again. And today, he is no longer the broken cat lying in the street. Today he walks, he sees, he lives. Most of all, he is loved, safe, and home. His life was almost lost, but now, it shines brighter than ever.